You know you have just broken the record? Do you know how proud this caucus is of you? Do you know how proud America is of you?
The senator from New Jersey.
Grateful to be able to rise right now and speak. We have a president who's come in, and one of the first things he's done in 71 days is insinuate fear. This whole speech is because, Chuck, because Senator Schumer, business as usual in this place when that kind of threat is happening. I want to go a little bit past this, and then I'm gonna deal with some of the biological urgencies I'm feeling.